Hi, we are Andy and Rich, and welcome to our channel, Remembrance of the Past, where we will be visiting churches, war graves, pillboxes and bunkers.
Today we are in St Michael's Church, Pleasley. (117,321). Gunner Joseph H. Cooper died 21st of March 1918, age 41. (16403) Private Albert Stevenson, Notts and Derby Regiment, died 22nd of August 1916, aged 19.
Private Albert Stevenson enlisted the 4th of September 1914. He was wounded whilst sniping at Yates and Lewes bomb throwing. He died of wounds at Bangor Hospital in Scotland.
24076-340 Lance Sergeant John Seven, Grenadier Guards, died 5th of the 6th, 2013. Also found Captain Mark Crofts, Royal Engineers, died 10th of July 1999, aged 25. (1888180) Lance Corporal Eric Ashley Samuel Baker, Royal Engineers, died 31st of December 1943. (320790) Sergeant Ernest Carter, 24th Lancers, Royal Armoured Corps, died 15th of June 1942, aged 22. (22922) Corporal Courtney Scott Keeton, Royal Army Medical Corps, died 11th of March 1917, aged 21.
Corporal Courtney Scott Keeton enlisted on the 9th of June 1915 at Tidworth. He served with the 20th Company, Royal Army Medical Corps. He died on the 11th of March 1917 of appendicitis at Fouvent Hospital, Salisbury. He had been home on leave in February, but on return to his post in Fouvent Hospital he became ill with appendicitis.
(121,031) Private F.E. Bennett, Notts and Derby Regiment, died 15th of November 1918.
Private F.E. Bennett was in the 9th Battalion involved in the attack and capture of the German positions at Seeburg, France, where he unfortunately suffered a fatal wound.
(47293) Private Bertrand, Eton, Notts and Derby Regiment, died 10th of February 1919, aged 23.
Bertrand Eaton was posted to the Sherwood Foresters Regiment, later transferring to the Labour Corps. He died on the 10th of February 1919 of pneumonia.
4615 Private Tom HAYTON, died 26th of February 1917, aged 28. (41038) Private James William Clarke, died 1st of November 1918, aged 26.
James William Clarke enlisted at Mansfield in November 1917. He died of wounds on the 1st of November 1918.